So I'm back here playing another YouTube video. Today I am playing Agar.io. Let's get into the video. Alright, where's my potion? Do I not get my potions? Come on. I collected a potion. Alright, brew this. Alright, I'm a lamb. Alright, play now. Alright, survive 10 minutes. Bruh. Yo, what's up, bruh? Okay, thank you. No! That lag, though. Why is it so laggy? Guys, comment down below because, I mean, this is pretty laggy. What is this lag? My gosh. What is this lag? Alright, stop lagging. Come on, come on. Let's go! Finally. Potato. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Oh, dang it. It's lagging again. Whatever. No. Dang it. Oh, that was a close one. That was real close. Come on, Frost Giant guy. Should I get Matthew? Maybe. Nah, he's still dead. He's dead. He pretty dead. Okay, so this guy is trying, the Seals, yo team. Yo team. Okay. I thought that bug guy was going to jump. Okay, so we're doing okay. No! As soon as I say that. Oh my gosh, I hate these videos. They're like so annoying. What are you doing? It's like, put that one there, turn the blue one. Okay, don't rage. I'm going to rage. Oh, I kind of want the moon ship. Kind of looks pretty cool. Okay. I'm gonna go in one more game. This will be my last game. And then I'm going to go and end the video there. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that good stuff in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you haven't already, then please go do that because it will really help the channel and I will start posting way more. So thank you if you already have, and You're just giving me good luck. Thanks. Okay. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Wait, why is he like do red? Why is it red? He's a sheep. Is that like blood? Hey, mushroom guy. You look pretty cool. No! Okay, guys. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time, and peace. That was a fun game. And also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.